Hello and welcome back to the Profit Target Trading channel. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most important aspects of trading, charting tools. Charts are an essential part of trading, allowing traders to analyze price movements and identify potential trading opportunities. With so many charting tools available in trading platforms, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll cover the standard chart plotting tools used in the majority of trading platforms. Let's get started. First, let's cover the basic chart tools that every trader should know. With any of these tools, it's important to know that a trend must be established first. Using simple market structure, the last swing low and swing high, you'll be able to easily plot these tools. Also, any time frame can be used, but for this video, we'll use the 1-hour time frame. When the price action moves towards either support or resistance, it can signal a potential reversal or breakout. While there are many more chart tools available, these are the ones that we consider essential. Number 1. The line tool, which is the most widely used, is a basic charting tool that is used to connect two or more price points on a chart. It can be used to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and to draw trend lines. To plot a line on the chart, select the Line tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the chart to define the starting point of the line. Drag and click to define endpoint of line. Number 2. The Rectangle tool is a charting tool that is used to identify areas of consolidation and supply and demand zones. It's formed by drawing horizontal lines at the top and bottom of a range of prices. When the price breaks out of the range, it can signal a potential trend reversal or continuation. To plot a rectangle on the chart, select the Rectangle tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the chart to define the starting point of the rectangle. Drag and click to define the endpoint of the rectangle. Number 3. The Circle tool is a charting tool that is used to highlight specific price levels or areas on a chart. It's particularly useful for identifying potential support and resistance levels, as well as key price levels. To plot a circle on the chart, select the Circle tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the chart to define the center of the circle. Drag to define the radius or size and click to complete circle. Number 4. The Horizontal Line tool is a charting tool that is used to draw a straight line across a chart at a specific price level. It's useful for identifying key price levels, such as support and resistance levels. To plot a horizontal line on the chart, select the Horizontal Line tool from the Charting Tool menu and click on desired area of chart to place line. Number 5. The Regression Channel tool is a charting tool that is used to identify trend direction and support and resistance levels. It's formed by drawing two parallel lines that encompass the price action within a specific range. The upper line represents resistance, and the lower line represents support. To plot a regression channel on the chart, select the Regression Channel tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the Swing Low to define the start point, and drag to Swing High and across to define endpoint to complete channel. Number 6. The Parallel Channel tool is a charting tool that is used to identify trend direction and support and resistance levels. It is formed by drawing two parallel lines that encompass the price action within a specific range. The upper line represents resistance, and the lower line represents support. To plot a parallel channel on the chart, select the Parallel Channel tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the chart to define start point, drag and click to define endpoint, then pull up or down and click to complete channel. Number 7. The Pitchfork tool, also known as Andrew's Pitchfork, is a charting tool that is used to identify trend direction and potential support and resistance levels. It's formed by drawing three parallel lines that follow the price action of a chart. The middle red line is the median line, while the upper and lower lines are support and resistance lines. This method also applies to the Shift Pitchfork, which is what I recommend. To plot a pitchfork on the chart, select the Pitchfork tool from the Charting Tool menu. Click on the Swing Low to define start point, drag and click to the Swing High, then drag and click to Recent Retracement to define endpoint and complete pitchfork. In conclusion, understanding how to use chart plotting tools effectively can greatly enhance a trader's ability to make profitable trades. These tools can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential trading opportunities. While it's great to learn as many charting tools as possible, you do not need to know them all. Focus on the ones that fit into your trading system and help you make profitable trades. I hope that you enjoyed this trading video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading content. See you next time.